Hi everyone, today we'll be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter with a genuine DENSO cabin air filter. Open the box and remove the new cabin air filter and you'll find that the filter is in the packaging. Remove the filter from the packaging. This is the new DENSO cabin air filter. So take note there's two sides to this filter, one side with the print and one side without the print. So take note that when you install the filter, this print should be facing you and also this up sign should be facing upwards. To replace the cabin air filter, first you need to open the glove compartment. Next, locate this arm and this catch over here. Press the catch and disattach the arm from the catch. Next, pull the bottom of the glove compartment out and remove the glove compartment. So this is where the cabin filter is located. To open it up, first look out for this catch over here. Press the clip at the side and you'll be able to open. Then you'll find the cabin air filter located inside here. And just pull it out to remove the cabin air filter. So this is the new cabin air filter. So you need to take note of the up direction. So this side or this surface will be pointing up and this surface will be pointing down. So now we'll be installing the DENSO cabin air filter. So please place it into the housing. And now we are done. This is the cover for the cabin air filter housing. So take note of this up sign over here. So this up should always be facing upwards. So next, look out for these two catch. So these two catch should be installed into the two holes over here. Okay. So now let's reinstall the cover. So ensure that the two catch sits in the holes securely. Once it's secured, push the left side of the cover down till you hear a clip sound. Yeah. So now we have completed reinstalling the cabin air filter housing cover. So now let's reinstall the glove compartment. When reinstalling the glove compartment, look out for these four catch here. So these four catch should sit onto this four hook over here. So now let's reattach the glove compartment. So after the catch has sit onto the hook, do ensure that this hook will sit behind this panel. So now let's reattach the rod to the catch. If necessary, push up the glove compartment slightly. Push in the rod to the catch. Now we have done reattaching the rod to the catch. So lastly, just close the glove compartment. Now we are done. Replace your cabin air filter every 12 months for better AC performance and cleaner air. Choose DENSO for better reliability.